Hi everybody, Asong Filipina here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to unbox. So I have here packages and it's very noisy the background. So I don't have an anklet and two rings now because I'm going to unbox the anklet and we're going to try on. So let's get started. So some of this pack is already unboxed, so only you don't see what's inside. So I'm just gonna show you. So this one is an anklet. So this is my nail polish today. So I'm thinking to go to salons tomorrow. I love the packaging of this item. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm not gonna promote the name. So okay. Oh my god, I love it. I want more. So, perfectly fit. So I'm gonna wear the it's very nice. So okay, let's continue. So I'm gonna keep this one. Oh my god. I love it. So nice. Okay, next is the bag. Because I'm going to make a short vacation this time, going to Cebu. So then I have a bag to wear. Sling to wear. Just want you to enjoy watching. This is Guess. So I can put my phone here, three phone, because I have three cell phone for my vlog when I do driving videos. I also installed three cameras in the car. And this is $108. The quality is very good. Just want to show you inside. This is for ladies. later on, I'm going to make a walking video with this dress. Okay, I have new bag collection. So this is not so painful in the packet, the price. Okay, and then this one I already see inside, so I'm just gonna show you. So it looks big in the picture. I thought I can put my like papers here, but it's very small. Now it's just very handy. I can put my wallet and my cell phone here. And later on, I'm going to buy extra bag, like a shoulder bag. I can put my papers, poppers. I can put my poppers here. And then, okay, this is the original price for this is $398. So this is MK, and this is not a sponsored video. Enclosure is this one, and this is how it looks like. It's also it looks like for men. It's also for men, I think. Unisex. So okay, I have this one. I love it also. So inside, I'm gonna show you inside. Wallet and cell phone. So I'm just gonna put it aside. And then this one. So there's a shopping site. It's a Temo, and it's cheaper than other shopping site that I always shop, but I love still the Shein compared to this. But this is not a sponsored video, so I'm just going to show you what I have here. Well, quality is not bad. I need to wash this first before I try on. It's a blouse, the tops, and I don't have yellow dress. I'm not sure, but this one is very affordable. And together with this skirt. So I have skirt and I also have these tops. Only I'm going to try on later. So lastly is this one. Oh, I can wear it with jeans. Well, the quality is good. I love it. So everyone, that's all for today's video, and I'm just here relaxing in my couch, showing you my sexy anklet. But yeah, I'm going to buy more of this. So nice. I love it. I love the quality. So that's all for today's video, and see you again next vlog. So I still have a pair of sandals that we're going to unbox, and And then I'm gonna do that in the car so that I can also show you how it looks like in the pedals, car pedals. That's all for now. See you next video. Love you all.